Hey guys, today I'm baking chocolate chip cookies, but with a twist. I'm using a different substitute for brown sugar each time to find out which ones are legit and which ones aren't worth your time. I'm using the same recipe, Joanna Gaines' chocolate chip cookie recipe, which you can find on PureWow.com. We'll see how these stack up. Let's walk through what I did. Dun 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 dun! Time for the big taste test. A is our control group cookie. It is so pillowy and chewy. I've made this cookie 100 times and I love it. Great caramelized texture, tons of chocolate chips. Oh, it's the ideal cookie. So, if you don't have any brown sugar on hand, what happens when you use all white sugar? It's definitely crunchier. It has almost like a cornflake texture, kind of like Milk Bar's cornflake cookie. It's a little chewier, it's not quite as thick, but still really, really good. Now onto white sugar and molasses. Look at that goo factor. It's paper thin, but it has this toffee-like flavor that's incredible. It's not crunchy. There's a little grittiness from these like rivers of crystallized sugar and molasses in there, but I'm really feeling it. Next up, we have substitute number 3, granulated sugar and maple syrup. I really wanted to like this one. It seemed like two things that people were likely to have on hand. It made sense to me that it would caramelize things, but look at this. It's chewy, it's a little gritty. If you're gonna do this, you might as well just go for all granulated sugar. Why mess with throwing in maple syrup? It doesn't seem to add anything to it. All right, our 4th substitute was honey. It's probably the closest in thickness. It's even thicker than the control cookie. It tastes like some kind of hybrid between a muffin and a scone chew. It's a little on the dry side. I can't get past the cost. You're using like $6 worth of honey in order to make a batch of cookies versus like 50 cents to $1 worth of brown sugar. Don't bother here. Last up is coconut sugar. All right, very soft, very soft. It looked like it was gonna be a crunchy cookie. And this has more of a toasted cocoa toffee taste to it. Does not taste like coconut at all, in case you're curious. This is the type of cookie you would find at like an upscale bakery that you'd pay like $4 for a single cookie. Wow, it's really good. Time for my top 3. If you somehow have molasses in the back of your pantry from years ago, go with the molasses and granulated sugar combination. You will not be disappointed. It will have this amazing homemade, home-baked taste. It'll be great. Second choice, coconut sugar. This won't get you the exact results of Joanna Gaines, but OMG. You don't have either of those things because let's be real, they're a little obscure. Go with granulated sugar. It creates a great cookie. You'll dunk it in milk. You'll be happy. It's a crowd pleaser. If you like this episode of Substitute Baker and you want to see more, comment and let us know what we should be baking next for substituting. And be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Until next time.